Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did break structure, like I've been saying. Now I think that there's a very good likelihood that we're going to pull back to this whole move down right here. That means that I think we're potentially going to go to one of these much higher Fibonacci levels. Now that doesn't mean that we might not possibly get more of a three-way pattern, something like this, more of a traditional, ABC or a WXY, but it does mean that more than likely the momentum is going to stay up at least for probably several weeks or more. So going down to the daily time frame, since we still don't have a break of structure to the downside, I would still be keeping a very, very close eye on all my Fibonacci retracement levels. If we do break to the upside at any one of these Fib levels, I definitely would still take it as a long. If it, to me, it looks like impulsive down. This looks extremely sideways, like a wave B. This could already be a wave C, and it possibly could just keep on going up. It's been a very sideways market this week for some reason, maybe because of the U.S. government shutdown still. So we do have to be a little bit cautious with our entries, whether or not they're actually going to follow through or not with the lack of U.S. news coming out and the lack of liquidity coming out of the U.S. lately because of the U.S. government shutdown. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.